Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my Instagram at FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. I just feel like I have been so busy lately with the kids going back to school, getting all their supplies, their clothing. It's so chaotic, and of course being a single mom, it's not easy and you have to like kind of do everything. Plus I'm going back to work like full-time, so that has just been so crazy lately, but I'm very excited and I wanted to do this haul video. I know I last asked you if you wanted an Amazon haul or a Zara haul on Instagram. I did a poll and a lot of you asked for an Amazon haul. So I do have some cute items to share with you, and these are for the fall because I am so excited that we're almost in the fall season. Like, I love the summer, but I think for clothing, I think fall is like the best. So I did get some items from Amazon. They are all from the same Amazon store and they are from the brand Merokeety. So I did order a bunch of items and a lot of them are pink, but I did step out of my comfort zone this time and I did order some items that were not pink. So I'm excited to share them with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Sorry if I sound a little congested. I am back to my allergies again because as we get closer to the fall season, my allergies are coming back. So yeah, bear with me. So let's go ahead and get started with item number one. Here it is. And I will link all of these items down below in the description bar. It is pink. It's so soft. Is it a cardigan? Yes, it's a cardigan. It is all pink and it doesn't have any buttons, so it's just kind of like an open cardigan, which I actually kind of like because you can just throw it on and it has little two pockets in the front right here. It is extremely soft. Like, I am very excited with this one here. Really good quality, and I did order everything in the size medium. I did lose like a good 15 pounds this past like 2 months. But I'm still sticking onto the medium size just because I like it to be like a little bit on the looser side, if that makes any sense. But absolutely love this cardigan right here. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. This one here I believe is also another cardigan. Again, it's from the same brand. And I love how they package everything, like it's just individually wrapped. So this one here is a cream color cardigan. And this one does have buttons. This is so beautiful. This is actually longer than I thought, which I'm actually loving because you can just throw this on with like some boots, some fall brown boots. Oh my god, I'm so excited with this one. Okay, next is this here. I believe this is a set, if I'm not mistaken. And it's in this dusty pink rose color, which I thought was beautiful. It's like a really nice color for the fall. And it is a two-piece set. It comes with the lounge shorts. Look how pretty these are. These are really nice. They have a very nice thick waistband, very, very stretchy. And the material is just super soft. It also has little front pockets, so you can throw your cell phone in there. And then it comes with the sweater, just right here. It's like a lounge sweater. So pretty. Like, this is such a beautiful color. Like, I'm really, really liking this. So next we have this one here, and this is also another set. This one's so beautiful, and this one's like in this beautiful like camel beige color, and it does have this V neck right here, which is super pretty. Look how cute this is. I'm loving this. It also comes with some pants, These are really beautiful. They are very thick material. Again, you can use these, you know, indoors or to do errands, to wear out. Definitely really pretty. And they do have like a little bit of waist elastic band on the front, and then this is the bottom. But I am loving this set. Like, these are so beautiful. I also got this beautiful lilac top. Love the color. It's definitely something that I don't really have in my wardrobe. Like, I don't have this color, and I really like the color. I think it's so pretty. It's long sleeve, and it has a V-neck with some buttons in the front. So next I have another cardigan, and I love this shade so much. Like, I'm loving this. This is like so perfect for the fall. It is this gorgeous, it's like, it shows red in camera, but it's not red. It's more like this like deep burgundy color. It's absolutely stunning. This one here doesn't have any front pockets. It's just like a cardigan. And it's just really nice for the fall. Like, this one here paired up with like some jeans or like a black dress under it and some boots would look so beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna wear this for the fall. And it's a color that I don't normally have in my wardrobe, but I just love the fact that it's perfect for the fall.
Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke.
So the last thing I have here is this gorgeous set, which comes with this sweater top. It's very soft, very comfortable. Love this material. This is like a kind of material that you're not going to overheat in. It's just very thin but warm at the same time and very cozy. And it also comes with the shorts, which are also very comfy. Perfect for like going out to run errands, just for lounging in the house, sitting down and like watching a movie and popcorn. Like, I love the fall for that reason, because you can just literally like wear something comfortable and just lounge around the house and still look pretty at the same time. So those are all the items that I got from Amazon. I really hope you loved everything in today's haul video. I'm going to try to link everything down below in the description bar, as well as in my blog. I know I haven't posted in my blog in a while. I have to get back to that. I know I've been kind of like being like not too focused on those things, but definitely I have to start back to blogging on my blog and just posting more content, especially for the fall, which is my favorite season, and then try to post some more fall outfits. But yeah, that was everything in today's video. I really hope you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!